What a lovely picnic.
Part 2.
After that last one was ruined by a...
Goose!
Right, a goose.
Now look, the goose came back.
Not on my watch.
Follow that bird.
What? This is literally a wild goose chase.
Let's go.
She went that way. Let's go.
Come on.
Over here.
Hey, hi, Farm Vet Barbie. Did a goose run by here?
Yep, she went that way.
Let's go.
Hey.
We can do it.
Over there.
Here.
Whoa.
Let's do this.
Yes.
We got this. Butterfly fairy Barbie. Unicorn Barbie. Did a goose run by here?
Not that we saw.
Astronaut Barbie. Have you seen a goose? She stole Chelsea's sandwich.
That goose may have stolen your sandwich, but she also stole my rocket.